In an ideal workflow, changing a material in the CAD model would automatically update production data information across the downstream systems that rely on it. In reality, that rarely happens. Today, many furniture manufacturers still rely on manual updates, disconnected files, and spreadsheets to transfer design information into ERP systems. A designer makes a change in the model, and that change must be checked and re-entered in all production documentation. Production planning, inventory, and procurement are updated separately, often by different people. This manual process introduces delays and inconsistencies. Material codes fall out of sync. Bills of material become outdated. Errors creep in where accuracy matters most. ERP systems are meant to be the backbone of operations, centralizing data for planning, purchasing, and production. But without a direct connection to design tools, that data can quickly become incomplete or out of date. What if design and ERP were truly connected? Thanks to the Woodwork for Inventor API, this data exchange can be organized with virtually any external data source, such as ERP systems or cutting optimization software. In this example, we're working inside Woodwork for Inventor with a live connection to an ERP system. The materials used in the model are not defined manually. They are retrieved directly from the ERP system and made available inside Woodwork for Inventor. When a material is selected or changed in the model, Woodwork for Inventor applies the ERP-defined material data consistently across the design. Because the data originates from the ERP system, there is no need to reconcile or recheck information between systems. Design, documentation, and production data are all based on a shared consistent data set. The bill of materials is then generated using the same data source. Material codes, names, and quantities remain aligned with what exists in the ERP. This ensures that design decisions are always based on reliable production data from the very beginning.